Washington State University, the number 11.
Hey, listen, man. Hey, listen, big announcement, man. Listen, if this is your very first time trading live with us, or this is your very first live trading session, if this is your very first session back after a long time, I got a big announcement. You heard?
Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
All right, man, let's get straight into it. Let's not let another second go by. You heard? Rodney with the news, man. What we got, dude? Rodney says orange folder. Orange folder at 10, but we should be done before then, especially with Bruce giving us a taste of the model for 2026. All right, bet. Clearly did not forget. I knew Rodney was gonna be on my ass, boy. I knew if anybody was gonna be Rodney. Rodney funny, bro. Rodney said, let me go and put it out there, man. Fuck it. That is hilarious. Alright, so y'all kind of see what's going on, man. We made this low. Popped up from it. Came into this 5-minute order block. Then you see they just pushed, made new lows, pulled back, made this 1-minute order block. So I'm thinking shorts. If we hold this order block, but this liquidity being grabbed, they're probably trying to go to the next level possibly. So if we're not holding that one, and they create a new one right here for price to go higher, they pull back a little deeper into this 5-minute now. So they would try to, boom, violate this 5-minute. But will they pull back to this 1 minute first? I'm entering this buy limit. Let's see if we get filled and price respects this 1 minute order block. Since we're not going down out of this 5 minute and we already grabbed liquidity down here, I want them to come touch this order block now and then come grab the highs right here. But I wanted to get filled first. At the 1 minute order block. If not, that'll suck. So I'm risking 550 on this trade, targeting 1100. Fuck, bro. I don't think we're coming down, honestly. It would have to happen fast, bro. Like just a wick ink and then pop up, or it's just gonna go now. Alright, here we go. We're about to get filled, possibly. Alright, here we go. All right, I'm gonna go to break even now. Let's see if we can get this push higher. I'm going to break even. It's now risk free. If it comes down, I'm not interested in being in this long no more. Let's go. This alert right here will be a violation of the 5-minute order block. Alright, I'm at break even, so we can't lose on this trade. If you're cool with profits, close 500-600. That's how you do it, man. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Alright, I'm trailing my stop loss and profit right here. Let's see if we get full take profit. My stop loss is now in profit right here. So if it wants to flip over right here, I'm out of the trade in profit. If it wants to pop up and hit my full take profit, hey, whoop-de-doo.
Whoop-de-doo. When we in this courtroom, man, head up, chin up, fuck that, nigga. If we go to prison for the rest of our life, whoop-de-doo. We go to prison, nigga. And we fight to get out this bitch. If we beat these folk, whoop-de-doo, we beat them.
Whoop-de-doo, we beat them. There we go, man. Out in profit. We take that shit all day, bro. Let's fucking go, bro.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
Everybody right now, this is how it works. When we cash out, you go to Discord, live trading profits at the bottom. Post your WP&L. Drop it in the Zoom too. WP&L. W and then how much money you just made. All day. WP&L, baby. It's 810, y'all. Do y'all understand that? It's 810. We just made $600 to $800 less than 10 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all seen the exit though? Y'all see the trail profit? Ah! Let's go. That's how you constantly get better and better and better and better and better and better. 2026 is gonna be the year of growth. It's gonna be the year of growth, bud. Right? So what happened right here? Why did it stop right here? I don't remember. I had if I put this back over on all intervals, you can see this was the 5-minute order block. They came into it once, rejected. Came into it twice, rejected. Came into it 3 times, stopped at the 50%. Made a new breaker structure. Right? Made a new breaker structure. So that made this bottom opposite direction candle an order block. So I put my limit there. I was hoping we got filled. 2 minutes later, we got filled. 1 minute later, we was up $700. Next minute, we was up at the peak at 800 something. And then boom, I put my stop loss right here at the high. Because if it flips this high, then it's probably going to tank. And that's exactly what happened. So I'm cool with getting out here. Because if it's going to go up, it would have just 800, 900, 1100, 1000. You know what I'm saying? It just would have popped up. So the invalidation, the violation of this 5-minute order block just got hit, but not the full high. Got it? That doesn't mean the high is not going to get taken out. It's just, it's like you do this whole area. It's like, so technically the most recent order block is right here, technically, right? But it can still come into this one. So I just kind of do the whole area. Now if it wants to hold this and then continue up, or will it start to, so I guess we'll just get rid of that. This 1 minute is now violated. Let's see what happens right here, y'all. So this is a failed order block. Boom, boom, short, boom, stop loss right above, boom. Stop loss kind of big, so we'll go 1-to-1. Now let's just see what happens. One minute order block up here. So that's kind of why your stop has to be above all the way up here. Because one way to do the stop is right here above the actual order block, right? But there's times where it'll just be whipsawy. Hit this, hit a person's smaller stop trying to get a better R to R, while this person has a worse R to R at only 1-to-1. But guess what? He doesn't get tapped out. He doesn't get tapped out. This guy got tapped out. This guy got saved by the order block. All right? So let's just watch and see what happens. It was also a golden zone. What, my target? Oh, yeah. See, I ain't even noticed that. Yeah, man. Hey, them golden zones, man. Listen. Listen! Hey, them golden zones, my boy. Oh, my God. Where my thingy at? It's probably all the way down here. This should have been making ATHs. Maybe I deleted it. That's cool. That's cool. Are we taking the sale? I'm not. You can do what you want. It might cash, it might not. I don't know. But that's a setup. So it's a 1-to-1. So whatever you risk is what you make. Whatever you make is what you risk. Silver and gold kind of move the same. They're gonna call him DJ Monte the Silver Man. DJ Monte Monte, y'all done fell into, you done fell into love, man. You done fell in love with man. I said, I'm trying to tell you. That boy said, I'm trying to tell you. Coming from Australia. I'm telling y'all, load up on these accounts, man. 2026 gonna be that year, man. 5 accounts, pumping trades like we just took. Just pumping trades, bro. And this ain't nothing. Price ain't even moved on session yet. I'm not gonna hold you. These last few days we haven't traded. Boy, price been busting, boy. Hey, I'm telling you. I'm like, wow, where was this price action on session? But if you think about it, that's pre-Thanksgiving. I mean, pre-Christmas. Pre-Christmas, boy, the 2 weeks before Christmas. Rough. Up, down, not too much. But as soon as like either Christmas hit or that Christmas day or the day after, whatever day it was closed or whatever, that next day and beyond, bro, or maybe a couple days before, I really don't remember. But whatever day we didn't trade. So we didn't trade Friday. I think it was closed on Thursday. We didn't trade Wednesday. So Wednesday, beautiful. Didn't trade Thursday because the one open. Friday, beautiful. And that's Asian session beautiful and New York beautiful. And then Monday, today, last night, beautiful. Beautiful. Today, start the session, little banger scalp already. Now we in a... I'm not in it, so we're just kind of watching. We're just kind of watching price do. All right, look, there's a little 1 minute order block right here. So it's like if it wants to pull back really quickly and hold, I'm willing to enter this sell limit in direction of the same setup. But if it hits the alert first, I don't know. So I really wanted to hit first, then we go hit the alert at my low 1-to-1. So I'm risking 500 on this trade. I made like 600 on the last trade. So I'll still be at a little bit of piece of profit, pretty much break even on the day. So I'm pretty much risking my profits from last trade. I'll be a little above break even on the day. That's if we get filled, and that's if it hit stop. But if we hit take profit, we're adding $1,000 to the day with the profits from the first trade. We're just riding it down. If it wants to continue down, let's ride it down. I want to get filled though. Fill me up, bro. Fill me. Fill me first, bro. Please. We're probably not gonna get filled. 44.77s. Yes, bro. Go hit the 77s. Look at that. What? But if we don't get filled, that's still cool. Whether it hits my target before I get in and then I have to delete it, that's cool. I mean, even if it hits me and hits stop, that's cool. Even if it hits me and it hits target, that's cool. Like, this is the type of trade, like, no matter what happens, that's cool. Those are the type of trades you need to be taking. Do y'all understand? Alright, we're not fucking about to get filled, bro. And it's cool. And it's cool. Give it to me though. It's not gonna happen though. Fuck. My chance to get filled was like up here. I can't even see. But it's like up here on this candle, at the top of this candle. I mean, we still could get filled, bro. Ronnie, are you in the chat right now? Say something in the chat, Ronnie. Ronnie sleep, bruh.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
Ronnie's wife had to wake him up. Wake up, babe. He calling your name. He calling your name, babe. Wake up. Ronnie said, yes. Stupid ass. Ronnie, everybody, listen. There's 40 people in here, 38 people in here. Introducing to you Bruce's 2026 model. We're gonna fucking call it the Mango model. You've never fucking seen nobody say shit. The Mango model is gonna be Bruce Webb's model. You just seen me cash that bitch. Let me delete my limit. I didn't take the trade, but I just showed you the fucking setup. Jay Rubio, did you take this trade, yes or no? Did you take the trade? Because you had plenty of time to entry. Yes or no? Did you take it or not? Whatever your answer is, I'm not tripping. So if you did, you did. You didn't, you didn't. Whoop-de-doo. But Jay Rubio, did you enter the sale? Did anybody enter the sale? Just say you entered the sale. Zena took it. Zena, you took it at a 1-to-1. How much did you risk to make? That's simple trading. How much did you risk to make, Zena? 500. Because why? Because she made 700 her first trade. So if she lost, whoop-de-doo, she's still up 200. Look for a new setup or be done for the day, right? Nah, bro, next time, whoop-de-doo. All right, Jay Rubio, that's cool. So let me explain y'all the fucking mango model, bro. Nobody is trading like this. And if they are, I'm going to smack the shit out of them. Now, real talk. Go Google that shit any fucking where you want. The mango model. You're not going to find it, right? I just fucking coined it, right? So let me explain it to you. You just saw it live. I didn't take it, but I showed it to you live, right? So here it is. You're not going to always be stuck with the 1-to-1. Like, you're really usually going to get like a 1-to-2 or like a 1-to-3 and shit. Just depend on like the setup. Like, just depends on the setup and the volatility, right? So this trade, a mango model, step 1, you want a liquidity grab at the highs or the lows. It doesn't depend. It doesn't matter. You want a liquidity grab. Boom. Then you want a failed order block. Got it? So a failed order block is an order block that you want that did reject, that did go and make this high. It doesn't even have to be that tedious. You just want a liquidity grab, and then the order block at the bottom, the very first one, you place your sell stop there. So there's two ways you can do the stop. There's a stop right here with better R to R, where you can put your stop right above the failed order block. Because I'm telling you, when it really fails and it really holds, it's going to hold. It's not going to go to the other side of the order block. Got it? So you can really put your stop here. But to be conservative and be safe, you can come up here because there's chances where it will come up and hit. There is chances where it will come up and hit your order block before it goes down without making highs and still completing the model, right? So really the model, my exit just now was on a simple violation of this order block, right? So now if you do the model again, a failed order block, you would sell it, stop loss above, and target the lows, even better, right? So that's the same shit. So we low-key could have targeted the very swing low. Why? Because this is the liquidity type setup where if they grabbed high, where are they going to go next fast? They're going to go back down to the next liquidity, to the next lows, to the other swing low, swing high. So we might shoot all the way down here, and that's how you can turn this 1-to-1 into now 1-to-2. You get what I'm saying? But of course, you don't know what the price is going to do. So either take partials, go to break even, all that type of shit. I'm telling you, this is a way to start having these trades where you're going to hold them for longer, right? So let's say we do like the mango model right here. So let's say we do a big picture, right? Big picture high, boom, liquidity grab up here. Then you just look for the next order block to find the order block. Boom, you can do this little guy right here, or you can do the very bottom of the actual structure right here. Right? So you put your sell stop there. Like it's literally like cookie cutter. Like it's cookie cutter. You don't have to think it's already there because by the time it gets here, these are already set. So you put your sell stop here, or you put your sell stop here, stop loss right above, stop loss right above, or put it where you think, like let's say above an order block. So if I sell it here, maybe my stop loss is above this order block, because if this order block fails, then that means we're probably going the other way, right? So stop loss could be here on the conservative side, but you really want it like right above the block. Maybe like this swing high right here. Have a little space, and guess how much you can hit a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-4. So this is like a R to R cheat code damn near. So I'm introducing to y'all. I just showed it to you first before I even broke it down. So let's say that's a 1-to-7, like on a crazy trade. So that's why I really look at the 5. Like, so I'm only looking for this model more so like add an order block on a higher time frame, like the 5 liquidity grab. shit like that. So boom, if we come from a 5-minute order block, right? Boom, now we can start looking at failed order blocks on the 5-minute chart, right? Or go down to the lower time frame. This is the same area. So it's actually like right here. So you can do this failed order block. You got this 5-minute. Wait, where we at? Hold on. So all the way up here, 5-minute chart rejection. Now you start looking for failed order blocks in the middle, or you can go failed order block at the bottom. Right? Shit, this guy right here. Right? So it's not always going to be sexy. So that's kind of always why let's say, if we do this one and we sold it, you probably got tagged. I'm not sure if you got tagged in. But let's say you did get tagged in. That's why your stop will have to be above this swing high. Because it can come up, hit this order block, and then shoot down. Right? So it's always not going to be. It just kind of depends on the price action. Right? But I just showed y'all one live. The Mango model, bro. Price is still running. So the actual target of this trade would be the swing low. And then that's the internal liquidity. The external liquidity would be all the way down here. Type shit. So I got 3 models written down that I'm only going to trade from now on. The very first one is the classic, the order block. You've seen it. That's the classic one. That's the easiest way to trade. Fucking damn it. You know what I'm saying? But now, eventually, if a person keeps looking for only order blocks and only trend continuation, he'll always take a L eventually. Instead of knowing that a failed order block is coming, not look for an order block. Not look for a continuation, and then you pull out the Mango model. The Mango model is the reversal. Got it? So you catch a Mango whenever the trend isn't up no more. Got it? So when price is pushing up, boom, this is regular continuation of an uptrend. Boom, pop up, pull back, boom, a regular continuation of an uptrend. Boom, pop up, break and retest, regular continuation. Range, grab the lows, push higher, regular continuation of an uptrend. Grab highs. Now we're at a level where we could possibly have a reversal. That's where you start looking for the Mango model. You don't just look for the Mango at any fucking time. You only look for the Mango. You only look for the Mango whenever price is at a potential reversal point, like on the 5-minute or like the 15. Not more so the 1, because you'll get blindly caught looking at the 1, you know? Versus, okay, we're not even at a level of it to reverse yet. Right? So pretty much at these highs, price grabs highs. Price, pretty much any liquidity grab, you can start to look for a Mango. But you really want price to be moving, of course. So, yeah, man, if you understand the Mango model so far, put a 1 in the chat real quick if you with me. No. Put Mangoes in the chat. Drop Mangoes in the chat. That's going to be our shit. Whenever we cash a Mango, we dropping Mangoes in the chat, bro. We're about to straight push this shit. Mango model, Bruce Webb. No. Not the word. Put the fucking emoji in that bitch. You can literally copy somebody's and paste it. Did y'all know that? You can literally right click, copy somebody's shit and paste it in the chat. Mango model, man. Drop them mangoes, you heard? Drop them mangoes, you heard? You the only one that put the word. What a loser. Drop them mangoes, man. On myself. This is my mango if you didn't. This is a mango. If you didn't, yeah. This right here is a mango. Bit like a papaya. Bit like a papaya. Fuck you talking about. My 1 minute order block is still right here. I deleted my limit though. I thought you would have made it the peach because, bro, it's the fucking mango. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, dude. But yeah, man, I had extensive. How do you say this? Extensive. Extensive. Am I tripping? Extensive. Yeah. Extensive. It just sounded weird. I've had extensive. Probably not. So what? TPT? What'd you say? TPT don't offer. They have silver, don't they? Oh, they have silver, not micro. Oh, crazy. I didn't know that. I might have to make the call, man. Hey, TPT, man, my people want micro silver, man. Give them what they want or I'm out. They be like, all right, see you. Ho, 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 ho. I mean, shit, if they don't offer it, they just don't fucking offer it. Like, I don't know, bro. I can try to ask too, but big dog. We don't want no meows. We don't want no cats. We need more dogs. We need more dogs. Big dog. Chase the money, chase the money. Hey, but yeah, Barnes on a mega play. And it's baby's gonna bang. It's gonna be your lucky day. Make you feel running late. And you have a pretty pretzel. What are you doing? Look at this ticket. It's not gonna be my time. This is the price, right? Baby's all whites. I'm gonna get it screwed up. Let me fly you up. Alright, what about this says buy, bro? Checking 5 and 15 minute. This would be a good place to buy or watch it pass support. For that to be a question, what makes you think this says buy though? And this last opposite direction candle didn't even make a new high. You know what I'm saying? So we might bleed this bitch. So you'll see how this trade is still running. This is the 2.8 is running right now. I'm currently at the 2.3. So boom, that was the low got hit. Eternal liquidity got hit, right? So next would be external liquidity at these very lows. W730. Yeah, Zena is milking. Zena is milking. I think I kind of want to go short, bro. Damn, it's about to hit these lows. Yep, mango all day. Well, you took a mango right here? That's literally it, bro. A failed order block is your mango entry. Entry, stop loss right above. Mango all day, broke the lows. Sheesh. Do y'all see what I'm saying? Price action is back, boy. Price action is back, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, price action is back. Mango right here. Mango right here. Price action is back, bro. Buckle up. I called it all the way from the top. At this level that you can expect a reversal, now you look for a mango. Liquidity grab. Then you take the first failed order block. You can do stop loss at the high. People are like, oh, but that stop loss is so big. But bro, look at the expansion on this trade. It's still a 1 to 4. Just by targeting the lows, the external liquidity, bro. So I'm telling y'all, bro, go get some accounts. Buckle the fuck up. We're trying to have 5 pro accounts this year. Busting these 5, 600, 8, 900, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2K trades on 5 different accounts, bro. Bro, 500 times 5 is 2,500. That's 5 weak ass 100. I was up 800 today. 800 times 5. What's that? 8 times 5 is 40. So 4,000. What? You get what I'm saying? That's it. Buckle up, bro. Price action's about to be back sexy again. As you can see, again, another day in a row. It's back. That pre-Christmas is fucking torture. But if you can get out of pre-Christmas and make it into January without going broke, I'm telling you, this is the price action. It's 8:44, bro. This shit been booming, bro. First 10 minutes, we was up. Now the next 30 minutes, it's just been tanking. Like, literally, yo. The mango model. Shout out to the mango boys. So my little order block never got filled. Crazy. So it's like, here's how you can not get filled at an order block and still take a mango. You know? You can not get filled and still take a mango. So this is the order block that rejected. Boom, failed, right? So the concept of a mango model is if everybody's buying it, everybody and their mama knows what an order block is. So they're buying it here. Where's their stop loss, y'all? Stop loss is right here. So what does that mean? There's money right up under here that's going to power price. That's how a mango works. There's buyers up here and there's money down here that's going to power price. So when these buyers are in buys and then they get out of their buys and they immediately sell their buys, because you have to sell to get out of your buy. So these are all sellers sitting under here. Sellers waiting, buy orders, sell stop losses. All that's powering liquidity to push price down. Right here. Soon as they get here, now they have the power to push price down. That's why the whole concept of the mango model is you really want to put your stop loss here. You really can be safe here. But when it's trending, I mean, when it's ranging and just kind of disgusting, that's when you're going to kind of get popped up, hit the next order block above, and then continue down, right? So if you have your regular traditional mango model stop, bro, we're talking like 9.5, 110 R right now, just by holding it. And then I guess trailing the stop loss. But that's one of the models, bro. The mango model. Buckle up. Get ready. It's systematic. You shouldn't be trading if a mango ain't set up yet. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's how you should be trading, y'all. Just in general. Have your ways to enter. And you should only be fucking entering that way. Like right now, I don't have a mango. There's really no mangoes to take right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just sitting on my hands. That's the benefit of having a model, a setup, right? You don't have to go make your own, find one, and fucking take it only. That's the fucking secret to profitability. W74, damn. W475. Big Zon. Bro, picture that shit still tanking, bro. 1 to 11.6. Like, what the hell? You risk 450 to make 4,000. What the hell? This shit is just going, bro. Like, what the fuck? What a day, bro. Shit. W6. Bro. Y'all are just trickling y'all P&Ls and just boom. Ooh, ooh. Every time price makes a new low. Boom. W450. W600. Hey, listen, everybody right now, them last few people, I ain't hear no diskers. WP&L, your total P&L. And Discord at the bottom made 6K on an Apex challenge and passed. Oh my god! Hey, Zena.
Everybody want to know
God
what I would do
damn.
if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Bro, what the fuck? This shit is just falling, bro. Good work, Zena. Hey, W pin out on the disc here, Zena. Good work, good work. Last 2 days of the month pullback.
I hope so.
Okay.
Of the month. What shows the month? The daily? Does the daily show the month? No. No, it don't show the month. Oh, okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. So at the beginning of the month, it just took off, pulled back, and then expanded. So now, it's actually, if you look at, hold on, y'all. We're actually coming into this daily time frame, IFVG, bro. So if it goes down right here, if it goes below this level, I'm gonna put like, I need to remember the color. Let's go, I wanna delete it. Let's go, what color don't I use? Let's make a crazy custom color. Like a pink or some shit, y'all. So we go pink, and then we lock it. If price closes below this shit, bro, on the daily, it could be a tank coming for gold. Meaning it's not, you wouldn't know till the end of today. So if today closes lower than fucking 43.91, the next day might just pull up and then just drop some more. Type shit. But, you know, I don't really look at that long-term shit. It was a 1 hour order block up here too. See, another reason to look for a mango. We were inside of a 1 hour order block. All day. Yeah. Inside of a 1 hour order block, this price popped down, made new lows. This is a now valid order block. Price came into it, and then dropped. This actual full candle is dropping out of this 1 hour order block. Little top. Let's see if I sell this low on a breakout again. How much would I have to risk? I gotta kind of hurry up. Let's risk like 200. And let's see if we can get. Damn, that's a lot of golden zones. But that shit wouldn't even be a goddamn. Hell no, that shit ain't even worth it, big bruh. Fuck no. Where can it go to, bro? The fucking 42, 44.21s. Hell no. That wouldn't even make sense, brother. No. And y'all see this? Like, I was about to look for a mango right here, but this isn't a mango. You want a mango up at the highs. You get what I'm saying? You want a mango up at the highs, or like after a nasty consolidation. Like, yeah, it might break and continue lower, but bro, that's just not as high as probability as it was up here. Like, how, you think you're gonna get another 1 to 11 down here, just straight fast, parabolic fast? So you wanna just don't get some shit and then start abusing it. Oh, it's a mango. No, bro, you gotta. It's exclusive. You know what I'm saying? It don't happen that often, right? So if anything, you would look for a bullish mango to go higher on a pullback when it's ready to pull back. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. We watched this drop 200 points. No, not 200, bro. That's not 200 points. It's only 60 points. 60 points. 61 points, 600 ticks. But we still watched it drop that much, yes. All right, let's see if we mango here. So for a mango, right, it'll look like this. You literally just put a buy stop. Like, you don't wait for no break and retest. You don't fucking, you just fucking get in. It's like no emotions. All right, so it's a little under a 1-to-1 right here. Right, that's just me targeting right here. So for the actual model, it could be a 1-to-7. So let's just see what happens. Because I put it right here because price can easily touch this body and then continue down lower. Alright, that would be the entry. See what I'm saying? Just a simple 1-to-1 certain times. Sometimes you can get a better R to R. This is simple, bro. Simple 1-to-1 strat. I mean, it's not always 1-to-1, but you get what I'm saying? If you have like a precise target, it's generally going to be a 1-to-1. But this is a high win rate probability strategy. Because it like makes sense, bro. Everybody was selling it here. Their stop loss is here. So that drives price. There's no more sellers. And now everybody's buying. What does that do? That pops price. So even if you turn into a scalper, boom, couple ticks, get out. Big lots, big money. You know what I'm saying? It's just, you know. And if you don't catch it like that, now you can start looking for order blocks in that direction on the lower time frame. Now your R to R can be a lot better. Because if it breaks this, I don't want to be in this long no more. Little shit like that. Now you're doing 2 to 6, 1 to 2.6. Capiche? So I expect, honestly, price to pop up from here. So let's just see what happens. But I don't think I'm going to enter, though. I'm honestly about to wrap it up. I just kind of want to see what happens on this setup. Hey, yo, everything can't just be pink now, brother. All right, so what was the first step of the mango? Yeah, I'm about to head out too. Shit. So what was the first step of the mango, bro? Did we grab any liquidity or have a reason to reverse at this level? No, right? So that probably wasn't the best setup. So that's why the rule base will come in. Do I have a liquidity grab first? Besides this one? You want like a major higher time frame liquidity grab. There it is. And that's why a mango could fail, right? Because that wasn't technically a mango. We didn't have our higher time frame level PD array or whatever to go off of. So see that? That's kind of paper trading. That's front trading. What's it called? Back testing? That's front testing. Got head out like a baby. Peace, y'all. What? Alright, broski. Bro, I kind of want a short, bro. Alright, let me see what this 1 minute order block do. $44.22. $44.20s. Alright, I'm entering the sell limit. Let's see if we get activated. So I'm risking pretty much half of my profits from the first trade still. Let's see if we can get a pullback. If it just keeps dropping, then we probably won't get activated. And then I'll be done for the day, bro. Beautiful day, beautiful setups, beautiful trades, beautiful volatility, beautiful movement, beautiful everything, beautiful. W2500 silver. Disgusting. They're gonna call you DJ Silver. DJ Silver. Chuck, just trade the big silver. $25 per tick is a bit stout for one contract, and that's as small as you can go. Yeah, I feel you on that. So, if I would have went manual sell like I kind of wanted to right here. Bro, 5 lots would have had me at fucking 600. What? That's nasty. Yo, gold is hella volatile right now, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck? Alright, so let's say we were still holding from earlier, right? A 1 to 20 R, bro. What the fuck? Alright, I have to go now, bro. Like, bro, I wanted to sit. Remember, I was like, I want to go short so bad. Then I said, let me just wait for the order block. Which is also fuck, broski. This shit trying to go down to the low. Fill the gap. Oh damn, I didn't even see that. Bro, what a day, what a move, what volatility, what volume. God, this is what I was talking about. If shit ain't like this, bro, the shit is not good, bro. I knew I wasn't fucking tripping, bro. Like, it's just giving no expansions. Bro, Ernest went crazy. Y'all go look at the chat. Ernest held that shit the whole time. What a badass. What a badass. Ernest, you hard, bro. You fire. You fire, broski. I'm gassing him up. He not even on here. You on here still, Ernest? Ernest, you in a bit with me? Hell yeah, he's still in here. Good work, Ernest. Bro, what a trade, bro. You know how insane this is? It's not. It's cool because even on Combine, you couldn't even hold this whole trade. Like it wouldn't even. You can't. Like you literally can't make that much, depending on how much you risked. Like you literally couldn't even make that much. All you need to make on Combine is 600 a day. Let's say you double it. Okay, I made 1,200. Okay, I made it all the way to 15. You really can't make any more unless you buy another account and then you get in another sale and then it just keeps going. This account is at 800 now. Your second account, you buy another account. It just keeps because it's like at a point where you have to stop on that account because you'll just be working hard just to lose it. Because when you're up 600 on the combine, you should just stop. Go to the next account, 600. 5 days straight, 600 is a past 3K account. I still got 5 seconds. He held that bitch, bro. He held that bitch. ain't trying to be in that. Come on, man. You know, brother. Hey, man, we on the bed chilling, man. Another commitment I'm gonna be making 2026. Well, the last 3 days, 2 days this week into 2026. I'm gonna be on here longer with y'all, bro. I'm gonna be on here longer, bro. I'm gonna be on here longer, bro. We gonna trade around 8 something. And we gonna just chill, and we gonna trade at 9:32, big bro. We gonna trade all the way to the goddamn trading, man. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro, at this point. But I'm about to go short though. I'm about to go short, like 3 connies. Soon as this candle closes, boom. I'm in short. My stop loss is above. If I'm selling 3, I need to be buying 3. If I'm selling 3, I need to be buying 3. Let's see how low we can go, but so the 4400s is where we're going. So let's go a little bit above 4400s and 3s. Low risk, so even if we hit stop, I'll still be in profit, and then I'll probably end it for sure. But if we want to continue lower, this is where we're gonna do it at. Hey, this is where we're gonna do it at. Hey, this is where we're gonna do it at. Hey, this is where we're gonna do it at. But said 9:30 gonna be interesting. And that's on my soul. Hey, from the top, boss man. We don't need no meow. We don't need no cats. What we need, y'all? We need more dogs. Chase the money, chase the money. It's gonna be a lucky day. Make it quick on running late. He applying straight pressure. Yeah. Thinking about the top. I need to be. Hey, sit in. Look at scene to you. What kind of day you my time? To the point, right? Yeah. Don't get it screwed up. Yeah. You want Mark Jacobs? Come forward with a winner. Man, work a 9 to 5, baby. For real. That's that ain't. That's it ain't. That's the east. Look at him on the thing. He ripped on that motherfucker. I ain't got, let me see what else. What else on here? Hard as fuck. Them hard. Them hard. I'm trying to hear this shit, bro. Look, bro. Look. Here's an example. You don't need a lot of contracts to make money, bro. 3 contracts, $225. You only need to do this 3 more times to pass your combine and 2 more times in 1 day to pass your combine. Simple as 3 contract trades, bro. You don't need 10, 20, 30 contracts. Then you wonder why when you lose 800. Because you're risking too much. Take a nice setup, nice trade. 2, 3, 400 and get out. This trade probably going to be like 5, maybe 600. Let me see. I can look at it exactly. Let's see what this trade is. Bro, this is a $423 trade. Looks like it's 1-to-1. So I'm risking $423 on both sides. You get what I'm saying? Risking it to make it. With 3 little contracts, bro. You get what I'm saying? Like, why are you in 10, 15, 20 on a 50K account? Go small. I say 5. But the volatility is really crazy right now. So that's why you go down to 3. Hit my 1650 target, might be out to this pro account. So yeah. You get to a point on your combine, you can't even make that much more. You can't even make more money. You feel me? So good work, bro. Good work. Time to make it real. Just remember, on a pro account, you do have live trail and drawdown, bro. Everybody should know that. That's how they get you. That's how, alright, that's not how they get you. That's how people blow their accounts. Because they chisel their drawdown away. Hey, where did my thing go? There you go. They chisel their drawdown away. Every trade. Where'd it go, bro? I'm just gonna add another one, bro. Cause you're not finna play with me, bit, bro. Bit, bro, you're not finna play with me, bro. I'm not gonna allow it to happen, bit, bro. $9:30 is in 2 minutes. I'm so damn right. I talk cash shit. I keep a. I gotta run that one back, low key. Let's just ride, baby. You ain't gotta work a 9 to 5, baby. Go get some food. Oh my goodness. What's going on? $9:30 open right now. I'm so down. I gotta work a 9 to 5, baby. All right, hold on. Hey, listen, man, hold on real quick. First, if you want to trade live with us, bro, join up at tradewithbruce.com. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern, we go live, we trade. Listen, join up at tradewithbruce.com. Hey, but listen, real quick. All right, so Rody, let me explain to you. That was not a mango. Got it? That wasn't a mango setup. Let me introduce you my second setup that I'm going to be taking out of 2026. Remember, I said I have 3 setups on here, and I'm only telling you them until I take them. That didn't make sense. I'm only telling, dude, that shit just got down to the pink line. Remember I said the pink line earlier? It was like all the way up here. We're at the pink line. That means the daily is inversing this fucking gap on the daily. If this candle, if today close, it's got hella hours. So if this day, it probably won't. It'll probably pop all the way back up. But if this day closes, yeah, what a trade, what a day. I'm about to break it down to you. So let me see. I'm at net $1,000 on the day, bro. Everybody WPNL in the Discord, bro. There's no excuse right now. WPNL, everybody who's still here, you're about to learn a fucking fire model that I'm gonna now be trading. Got it? And I just traded it with you live. Got it? And I did low risk. I did 3 fucking contracts. What if I did 6? That would have been an $800, $900 trade. If I did 12, that's a fucking $1,800 trade. That's it, bro. That's it. Hold on, my shit tweaking. Yeah, spicy. Hold on, I'm about to break you down the model. Damn, my internet tweaking. Fuck. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, put yes in the chat. If you can hear me, put yes in the fucking chat right fucking now. Alright. Look, you need a haircut. Hey, what Pops do on Friday? He said... Alright, bet. I always wanted long hair type shit. So in school, I used to put a towel on my head, and then I used to be like, that shit used to get in my eyes. I'd be like, bro, this shit is in my eyes today. Stupid ass. So listen. Alright, no, for real. Alright, we're still here. Alright, let me show y'all the model. This is gonna be model number 2. Model number 2. This could be a reversal model or it can be used as continuation. I just use it as continuation. Got it? So let me break it down. Break it down. All right, here we go. Oh, shit, sweet. All right, I can see. All right, so if today closes under this pink line, y'all, we can look for a huge move like this tomorrow again. Like, it's gonna be another tank day. If it closes under this blue, under this purple, pink, whatever. All right, so go back to the 5. All right, let me show y'all this model, bro. Real simple. I haven't created this one. I just kind of realized that this one is fire, right? I didn't create it. Okay, I didn't create it. So it's cool and all, but it's not the mango. I created the mango. Nobody's out here trading mangoes. You hear me? They got unicorns. They got turtle soups. They got motherfucking baked potato. I made that up. That should be fire too, baked potato. But no, the mango. Nobody, go search that shit. You can't find shit about the mango. So I'm going to be the only one in the algorithm talking about the fucking mango model, bro. Woo! Alright, so this model right here that we just took. This is a simple, like, continuation model. Got it? So whenever you're not going to get your order blocks, whenever I'm not focusing on order blocks, whenever it's not going to always go to the order block, this is a way to get in a trade almost any time of the day, and you don't need an order block to get in. And it's fucking crazy high probability, right? Let me break it down to y'all. Actually, y'all are still here. I'm going to give you the sauce, right? So look, I'm going to give you the sauce, y'all. It's time to give you the fucking sauce, y'all. Boom! It's time to give you the sauce right now. So everybody who's here, congratulations. I'm about to give you the fucking sauce, right? Rodney, everybody knows we used to use this bitch back in the day. So if you come to your indicators and search FVG, boom. FVG by Nephew Sam. I already have my settings set up. So let me show you the setting before everybody start asking me what the fuck are the settings. Right? So Rodney, we used to trade the FVGs, but how was we trading them? We were trading them as FVGs. That's not as powerful. What's more powerful is IFVGs, meaning it's pretty much like a failed order block. All my trades now are going to be off of failed things, meaning there's liquidity behind that move because a lot of people's stop losses are there. So their entry, our entry is their stop loss. Remember the fucking clip? We all seen it. I place my entry where the masses place their stop loss. You know exactly who the fuck I'm talking about. I don't know his name or whatever, but you know exactly what video I'm talking about. I place my entry where the masses place their stop loss. That's the same fucking concept. Got it? So if everybody in the world are trading FVGs and their stop loss is at the end of the FVG, bing, when it hits that, there's a lot of fucking money there to drive price down lower. That's how it works. So Rodney, we was looking for FVGs, right? And nothing wrong with FVGs. You just got to know which one to look at. So I would rather focus on an IFVG. So these are my settings. Y'all look, I'm giving you the settings. So take a picture of this shit. Actually, I'm going to post this on YouTube. So you ain't got to do it. But if you lock the fuck in, you will be taking a picture of this shit already before I even said it, right? Here's the first page. You take a picture of it. All right. Then go down here to show labels. Boom. Here's the next page. Take a picture of it. I don't even know what I did, but that's what I have it set on. And then boom, take a picture of this shit. Right? So my IFVG box color, boom, is this. Right? This one. These are my settings. So I have lime green and I have it at 6%. Got it? Then over here, I have it at red and then I have it at 3%. And then my IFVG border colors, I have it at green and I have it at 100%. My IFVG bearish box. Oh, that's wrong. Bearish border, I have it at red and I have it at 100%. Got it? So those are my settings. I just gave you the fucking sauce. Boom. Style. I don't know. I keep that on. Visibility. I don't touch none of that shit. So just the first page. So, right? Like, literally, you have another entry right here. Right? So, let me break it down you the model, bro. So, whenever there's a... No, don't delete it. I want to just get rid of it. All right. So, IFVG, right? So, this was a FVG for price to come into it and pop up. So, if that doesn't happen and price closes below it, now that's an IFVG setup. You kind of enter that as soon as the candle closes and you hold to your target. Now you got to determine where your target is. So that will be your drawn liquidity, your golden zone, me knowing the levels over here, or based on your P&L. You can just target, if you want to make 600, boom, get out at 600 or whatever, trail your stop loss, right? So it's kind of doesn't have a real target, but the target or take profit will be a drawn liquidity, meaning previous highs, previous lows. Got it? So on this trade, honestly, I have it on my computer over here, but I didn't have it on my charts with y'all. So when this happened, I was waiting on an order block. I didn't even fucking see this. So then when it was down here, I seen the beautiful trade. I'm like, wow, I just missed one. So boom. So my second model, y'all, is a IFVG model, right? Right? So you can kind of wait on a order block. You can kind of wait for a liquidity grab, right? That's cool and all, but you really don't have to have that. You really don't have to have that. Yes, that's going to drive it more, but you really don't have to have that. Any IFVG immediately that just got painted for continuation, when that candle closes, you can enter with your stop loss above. So enter, boom, right? They teach you like back above the FVG, but bro, it's just best to be conservative up here. And then let's see how low it goes. It goes down to a 2.5. 2.5, bro, that's amazing. Get the fuck out. Like, bro, that's amazing. Get the fuck out. Got it? So what happened? After that, I realized, okay, fuck. What happened here, y'all? What did I say right here? I seen this little gap over here on my chart. I seen this gap over here. A person could wait for this gap because the first one could invert and then come to this one, hold and pop up. It's possible. So some people wait to the very bottom gap. Then you wait for it to invert. See this? This not ready yet. This candle closed out yet? Nope. It wicked. This candle closed? Nope. Nope. And it still could have worked its way up and you would have never traded. But when that candle closes, bing. Here's where I'm talking about. Sometimes it goes up to the order block before it tanks. Got it? So yes, we entered here at the close of this candle under this IFVG. And then boom, it pulls back. So you can enter here, enter again, or just enter and have your stop loss above. Back at entry, and then boom, let's do our R to R. We sold it here. Our stop is going to be right above. Boom. We will target. So in real life, we will target our pink line for a target, and that's another 2 to 3. I'm sorry, 1 to 2.3. So if you risk 500, you make $1,000, bro. Picture that, bro. You hit your buffer in 2 trades, risking 500 per trade by catching a 1 to 2, just because price wants to keep dumping. It is what it is, right? And what happened here? Price closed under, you would short it, stop loss above, and you would be in fucking profit right now. You get what I'm saying? This is my new continuation model whenever there's no apparent order blocks, right? So guess what? You can look at it like this. Order block, boom, IFVG entry, bink, high probability continuation. Right? Yes, we have the best entry here at the order block, but sometimes it doesn't always go up there. So I would have already probably been in a sell here. Now, if the IFVG closes, how about confidence to re-enter again, guys? If I'm in 3 contracts, why wouldn't I scale up and get at another 3? Now I'm at 6 right here. Then we hold 6 contracts down. This is what it would look like. Right here. And then we go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's say about right here. Our full, bro, we'll be running 1,300 with 6 little bitty contracts, bro. Do y'all see the power of this shit? No, price isn't always going to be fucking going all the way down. But price always makes moves like this on the 1 minute. It's been doing it the whole fucking morning. So if you look up here, y'all. Look up here. When we took our first mango, right? The mango is amazing, but I honestly like the IFVGs better. Honestly, to give you 100% authenticity, I like the mangoes better because look, I mean, I like the IFVGs better because look, the IFVG at the top, it's the same shit. Whether you look for a liquidity grab and then an IFVG ASAP, now you have a better R to hold this all the way the fuck down. Got it? So my mango entry was down here, but the IFVG entry was when the candle closed right here. So you get it? You would have shorted here. Stop loss right above. And then boom. You would have already been at a 1 to 2 before we get a mango. Then the mango just confirms that it's a real change of character and we're going down. So it's kind of 2 different ways, but the IFVG and the mango kind of goes hand, you know, it kind of the same shit. You get what I'm saying? So you can use a mango for reversal, but you can't use a mango for trend continuation. So mango is only reversal. A IFVG could also be trend continuation. It don't have to be an IFVG to go up. It could be an IFVG because people think it's going to pull back to this FVG and push higher. So that's why it's engineered liquidity. When this candle closes, now everybody's forced to sell their buys. More sellers, less buyers, meaning price goes down. Oh my God. Right? If you with me, put a 1 in the chat. Right now, I need to see 21 ones if you with me, bro. If you with me, put a 1 in the chat. If you with me, put a 1 in the chat, broski. I just dropped straight sauce swag goo to literally make you a profitable trader, bro. If the order blocks are confusing you, bro, now you have a fucking indicator that's automatically painting the shit on your charts. If you know when to look for a reversal, you use your IFVGs to go the other way. Got it? If you know how to trade order blocks, now you can know how to look for a mango. Right? So a mango would be liquidity grab at the bottom. That's the same shit as IFVG. It really wouldn't matter. So liquidity grab, IFVG, candle closed above. You enter here, you will be in profit. That's simple. Right? Order block. Breaker structure, pull back to the order block. We up in here. Now, there's times where we might think this is the breaker structure for an order block. And whole time, this is a liquidity grab to reverse. So me and you would look for a sale, put our stop loss here and wonder why the fuck it ain't gonna keep going down as soon as we want to get in a sale, right? But if we shift our mindset into thinking liquidity grab, okay, if it comes here and goes down, who cares? Then guess what? We will look for IFVG on the rejection of this order block. right? Because here is literally forming. I'm going to give it to you before the indicator does. This is an IFVG. It hasn't closed yet, so in 40 seconds it'll close. When this IFVG closes, this candle closes, and this gap stays here, this will be a FVG. It'll come down into it, and you'll expect price to go up. If that doesn't happen, and red candle closes past it, a red candle closes past it, now that's your entry. Bink, stop loss above for your continuation model out of this order block. Now, if it were to pop over and violate this order block, now you'll activate a mango. You kind of get it? Mango will be right there and try to target a 1 to 2. Or you really want to run the liquidity, because if they ran liquidity down here, what's next? They might could run liquidity here. You can put a target here for maybe break even. And then boom, the second liquidity, the external liquidity would be here. And then the next level will be the highs over here on the 5-minute chart. So this is a potential 1 to 7 on this mango. And you're literally running in profit on this IFVG entry right here. Buy 1 candle, 2 candles holding you up. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it can start to merge or together in your head. So you kind of got to know what you're looking for first, or you'll just kind of get analysis paralysis. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's the thing when you know too much. So that's kind of why my 3 models, I haven't showed y'all the other model yet. It's kind of the same shit. We just ain't caught it yet. But today we called the OB. There's really 4 models. So today we called the OB continuation. That's easy. Then I showed y'all the mango model after we had that. So I showed y'all the that's the classic continuation order block. Then I showed y'all the mango up here. We cashed that. That went crazy. But we got out at the original trade was a 1 to 1. What the fuck just happened, broski? Why'd it do that, bro? I smacked the shit out your ass, boy. What happened to that, boy? Bro, it just moved all my indicators. Now, if I smack you, I'll be wrong, right? All right, so yeah, and then let me show you. I'm literally giving y'all swagoo. When I repost this on YouTube, I want you to go watch it. Take notes. Oh shit, it's happening. All right, so yeah, as far as the settings on the FVG shit, let me show you real quick. So after you add the settings, y'all, here's the secret. Click this and then click save as default. So now when you add it to any other chart, it'll be that same way. All right, so look, let's get rid of this just for visuals. It's starting to add it. I already marked this off, but it's highlighting this FVG now. It's not real yet because it hasn't closed. So you see, don't just... Okay, so this is actually IFVG right here. This candle closed, right? So we was looking at this one right here. So this one keeps flashing because price goes below it. But when it closes, that's when it'll stay there. Got it? Type shit. So these are things to look forward to. Trading live. Damn, I just did it again. Trading live with my community. So y'all, if you want to join up, if you want to trade live with us, bro, go to tradewithbruce.com. Join up. It's only $150 a month, broski. Go get you a trading account. All you need is 1, 2, or 3 50K accounts. Use code BW for the discount. It's only going to be $102 each account. When you get one account, they're only $100 and $102 each, all in. No activation fees. That's 40% off. You get unlimited daily payouts, bro. It's amazing. So you get one account and then scale up, get 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts, and then you copy them all together. So instead of me making $1,000 today, 5 accounts is $5,000. 2 accounts is $2,000. 3 accounts is $3,000. Got it? So yeah, bro, we've been on here for 2 hours today, y'all. We started with like 50, 50 people. But we ended with a solid 20. So it's not like downing anybody who had to leave, but the ones who stayed, I gave y'all the sauce. Got it? The ones who stayed, I gave y'all the sauce. So the ones who left early are going to be asking me questions in the morning. And I'm going to go off on their ass. I'm going to tell them, nope, go watch the replay. Now, I won't be a dick, but... Alright, here we go. 10 seconds. So here's literally the trade. It would be a trade. Like, trade continuation. Out of this 1 minute order block if price wants to go lower. Candle closes. Boom. So let's just see what happens. Oh, shit. Let's just see what happens. So what's the like? Let's see if we can get one. Let's just do a 1 to 1.5. Just see what happens. I'm not trading. I'm not getting in or nothing. I'm not taking any other trades. We're up 1,000. Thank you. A great New Year's gift. Facts. That's a lot of value I just gave you. I just gave y'all 2 or 3 trading models that's literally going to make you profitable. Literally going to make you profitable. Now watch this. So boom, we got our IFVG. There's our pullback to the order block. You can even add that to your criteria. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the pullback. Now we go big on the order block pullback. And then boom, you're in profit up here versus me just getting in profit at my entry. Little shit like that, man. Little shit like that, man. Fine tune your trading. Treat this shit like a fucking business, bro. Stop learning a bunch of bullshit. Go straight to the real of people who's really doing this shit live every day. Got it? So I guess we just kind of chill, see what this candle does. I mean, see what this trade does. Just see what happens. Let's say if I were to go 1 contract just for the fucks and giggles. Current price. Damn, 264 to risk 100. Hey, I'm getting in this sale. Risking $100 to make 260. I'll take that 1 contract, bro. I'll take the risk for a trend continuation. I'm only risking 100. If I hit stop, y'all, I'm still up 900 on the day. So we're lit. I'm taking this. This is a 1 to 2.6. You see that? You use your money to make more money. Got it? That's why it's imperative for our first trade to be a green trade. Got it? And this is also what I mean by like kind of staying with y'all. You know? Making more monies with y'all. You feel me? Teaching y'all. Giving y'all more value. More game. And more sauce. More sauce. More saucy sauce. So now we just kind of let this rock out. I got a perfect song for this. And let's see what happens, bro. All right, y'all. News. Any profit is a dub. Facts. Let's get it. Hey, news is in like 4 minutes. Rodney said there's like news in 4 minutes. Rodney, you still here? News is in 4 minutes. Let's see. If we hit stop, I'm done for the day. Even if we hit take profit, I'll be done for the day. This is the last trade. That's all. That's already a 1-to-1 right here. A simple 1-to-1 strategy, y'all. You can make it a 1-to-1 if you want. Just get out. You ain't even got to be in long. That's a 1-to-1. Remember, I risked 100 to make 100 right now. But I got a 1 to 2.6, 2.2, 2.3. So let's just see. Oh, news. 2 minutes till news. 2 minutes till news, boy. 2 minutes till news live. 43.75s. Something could happen right here. 43.75s. So at 43.75s, I'll go to break even. Because I can't close partial. And you see how we're just inversing all these gaps. First gap inverse, entry here. Second gap inverse, entry here. Third gap inverse, entry here. This gap hasn't inverse yet, so when it closes, boom, that'll be a new. You get what I'm saying? This is. I'm telling you, buckle the fuck up. Go buy some accounts. Take Profit Trader. Use code BW and lock in with me, bro. Let's get fucking paid in 2026. I'm telling you. I'm giving you momentum so we can get some days passed on your combine. So 2026, the first week, we're pumping pros. We're pumping pro accounts. All pro accounts. No combines. Got it? Let's fucking go, bro. W980. Got it. That's it. It's all about how much you risk. That's it. That's it. Everybody WP&L right now in the Discord, bro. WP&L, your floating P&L. News is right now in 30 seconds. I'm not doing nothing different. The plan does not change. When we hit this alert, I'm going to break even. This is the target. This is my stop loss. I'm not doing anything different because news is coming out. Let's go. Let's run it. Let's run it. Right here. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. 3 seconds. I'm doing nothing different. I'm sticking to the plan. Now I'm at break even. Alert got hit. This shit's lagging. The alert got hit. The alert got hit, boys. The alert got hit. Let's see if we can go to our 67.5s. Let's see if we can go all the way to our 67.5s. Let's see if we can go all the way. Take profit, smash. We just caught another 1 to 2 fucking 2. This is what we fucking do! Look at this shit, bro. When has price ever been this smooth? Fuck that. When have we ever been this efficient trading, bro? When have we ever been this efficient? Buckle the fuck up. Y'all think I've been on a 37-day win streak? We're about to go 60 days. Today is day 1. I think we won. Did we win the last day we traded? I don't know. But either way, day 1, bro, of our new shit. I'm fuck all the other stats. I ain't counting them shits no more. Today is day 1. I'm gonna add up my total for 2025 and shit. That's over with. They got a couple more days. But today starts 2026. Let's fucking go. Buckled up. If you want to trade live with us, I'm telling you, this is the perfect time to join up. It's only $150 a month. Join up at tradewithbruce.com. Message me on Instagram at BruceWebb, BruceWebb.jr. BruceWebb.jr. Hit me up on Instagram. Send me the screenshot. I'll give you the VIP access to the Discord. Let's fucking go, bro. Lock in. And if you're in here already, I'm telling you, go to Take Profit Trader. Buy you some accounts today. The next time you get paid, go donate some blood. Go do a gig. Go get some money and buy you more accounts and stack them shits and be ready. Don't blow them trading like a dickhead by yourself. If you're going to trade by yourself, as you see, all you need is 1, 2, 3 contracts. I just showed it to you. Look at this shit still tanking, bro. We didn't even have to get out there. We didn't have to get out. You get what I'm saying? These is how the trend continuation trades are going to go. We don't know how low it's going to fucking go. We're just going to get out of these safe areas where 1 to 1, 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, 1 to 4 isn't amazing. Now, if this is our second, third trade of the day, that's when we can start letting shit just run where it don't affect us negatively if it flips back to break even or loss. Got it? Listen, bro, I'm telling y'all, I'm the motherfucker to be locked in with. 2026 is about to be amazing. And we are going to have that meetup, private meetup, secured meetup at a private location, VIP members only. And it's going to be some type of payout. You got to have some amount in payouts to be invited. I mean, that type of VIP. So that's how locked in y'all got to be to even be, you know? You get what I'm saying? Like 10K club. 10K in payouts, verified, boom. You know what I'm saying? Like crazy shit. So let's fucking go, y'all. I promise you, we're about to make this shit happen, bro. So go get them accounts. Use code BW, bro, if you want to pass it. Use code BW if you want to trade with me. Bro, I just introduced y'all to the Mango model and to the IFVG continuation model. Got it? Simple. 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 And bro, this shit is still going. Like, remember I said the daily candle under this purple line? Shout out to the people that's still here with me, bro. Have mercy on the little MT4 guys. What does that mean? What does that mean, bro? You can still enter with us. Bro, look at these trades, bro. Bro, this shit just goes straight down, bro. Oh my god. Bro, this literally usually how gold runs, bro. But bro, it made these ATHs and just fucking tanks. It's kind of comical, bro. But yeah, bro, as far as MT4, bro, yeah, you're not going to have these fancy little tools and shit. So eventually, bro, you gotta... MT4 ain't even regulated, bro. You're not gonna don't plan on making millions and hundreds of thousands of dollars on MT4 and being secure with your broker, bro. I'm just saying. That's why we over here on futures, regulated prop firms, right? And futures is regulated in itself. So if I go make a personal account, that shit's regulated. That shit gets reported. That shit is real income. Got it? That shit's real. MT4 ain't fucking real. Just like you make 100K. Oh yeah, thank you. Can I click payout? Yeah, fuck you, boy. We're closing your account. Wait, what? I'm gonna report you. To who, bitch? What you gonna do? That ain't already been done. They're a multi-million-dollar company running. Your little one complaint to the CFTCC, whatever the fuck, ain't gonna do shit. So that's why you need to come to futures. Go regulate it. Like, bro, this shit is bananas, broski. 1 to 3, bro. So we would still be running like $300. So, bro, do y'all understand? I finished the day at $1,300. Got it? First trade was like $600. Second trade was like another what, $500? Because it made me at like $1,000. This trade was like 200 something. That shit just popped me at 1,300 something. Just because I sat here and kept trading with y'all, bro. Got it? So that's pretty much what we're here to look forward to. I'm gonna start staying as late as I can, as late as price action allows us. And if it's good, bro, we ain't got no reason to leave. Feel me? If it's good, y'all, we got no reason to leave. Shit's still dropping. So, all right, man, let's wrap this shit up, bro. Amazing day, amazing trade, amazing session. So yeah, bro, beautiful.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over trench. Walk over trench. Walk piece of over trench. Walk piece of over trench.
So yeah, let's get it. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern, same time. And I think Wednesday, the market is closed. Ain't it? Ronnie, you still here? So Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh no, it's Thursday. So Thursday. No trading on Thursday. I think it's closed. Yeah, I think it's closed. I think it'll be closed on New Year's Day. Yeah. So we'll be trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. So today's Monday. Yeah, so we back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern. It opened back at 5 p.m. New Year's Day. Yeah, but technically that's January 2nd. You get what I'm saying? Technically that's January 2nd. It just won't reflect till midnight. So, yeah. But I get what you're saying. As far as Asia opens up, yeah, as normal. Yeah. Yeah. Now you lit. Now you lit, little goddamn Puerto Rican princess. Alright, I gotta go. She about to kill me. She about to kill me. Let me hurry up before she types something. Hey! Oh shit. Alright, man, I gotta go.
Don't be scared to get to the money at all times. I went to sleep 3 a.m. I was back up at 6:30. Excited. No excuses. My bad. Yo, shut the fuck up and let's get to the money, man.
Where my other one?
And banging and banging. When a guy's banging you, you spin off of him. Because if you can feel their body, come on.
18 points for Joker, only nugget.
Young boys coming.
Alright, man, we out of here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Let's go. I love y'all so much. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube, so be ready for it.